Anti-abortion advocates across the U.S. celebrate their win today. The U.S. Supreme Court released its much-anticipated decision overturning Roe v. Wade, the 1973 landmark case that gave constitutional protection to women seeking abortions.
We are here to help you. If you are pregnant, if you are parenting, if you are in need of support.
We're here to celebrate. We're so overjoyed with the decision of the court to overturn Roe v. Wade. It's something that we've been fighting for decades.
In a speech just after the announcement, Democratic President Joe Biden rallied his political base and tried to ease the fears of abortion rights advocates. He also called on Congress to enact a federal law codifying a woman's right to choose an abortion.
It was 3 justices named by 1 president, Donald Trump, who were the core of today's decision to upend the scales of justice and eliminate a fundamental right for women in this country. With this decision, the conservative majority of the Supreme Court shows how extreme it is, how far removed they are from the majority of this country.
The latest Gallup poll shows confidence in the court at a new low of 25%. In the 6-3 majority opinion, conservative Justice Samuel Alito, appointed by U.S. President George W. Bush, wrote, "The Constitution makes no reference to abortion, and no such right is implicitly protected by any constitutional provision, including the due process of the 14th Amendment." The case at issue concerned a Mississippi law banning abortions after 15 weeks. The state's sole abortion clinic sued, and lower courts ruled in its favor. In today's opinion, the Supreme Court ultimately backed the state. Instead of the Supreme Court, states should decide whether to allow or ban abortion, the opinion said.
We're about to enter sort of the Wild West in terms of a lot of interjurisdictional conflict. There are about 13 states that have trigger bans and that will immediately have laws that take effect and that basically ban abortion outright. All in, about 26 states we can expect will virtually eliminate abortion.
This could force women to cross state lines to get abortions. Roughly 15 states are expected to try to protect abortion rights, with the rest of states taking some sort of middle ground.
Pro-life is a lie. Damn, can people die?
Abortion rights advocates see the ruling as an assault on reproductive and privacy rights.
Well, as my sign says, I will aid and abet abortion. We're not going to stop having abortions.
We are going to fight by electing more women to Congress, to state legislatures, to the city council. Women who understand the issues. It will go to the front lines to pass legislation to overturn this horrible decision.
But those against abortion say it's a victory for human life.
I do want to fight for the rights of women. As an attorney, I am very concerned about this, but we also need to consider that these are people. I believe these are people, and they have rights too. So we've got to we have to find a way to honor women, but also really protect the fundamental rights of these children.
Today's opinion did not come as a surprise. Earlier this year, it was leaked to media, setting off nationwide protests by abortion rights activists. And already, states across the country have been changing abortion rules. Laurel, Bowman, VOA News, Washington.